OpenWORM is an open source project dedicated to creating a virtual Synarhabditis elegans nematode in a computer. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The aim of the OpenWORM project is not to model the behavior of the worm directly, but to understand how microscopic behavior emerges through the underlying psychological processes. The complexity of computational neuroscience and biology make it extremely difficult to sort through the myriad of facts, data, and biological processes that are uncovered on a daily basis by researchers around the world. OpenWORM believes that the challenges of solving brain simulation, even for the simplest of model organisms, require open access and collaborative solutions. Therefore, building a model that behaves in an identical manner to C. elegans is necessary but not sufficient. Traditionally, artificial intelligence research has attempted to reproduce human like intelligence without simulating the psychological processes of the brain. Similarly, one can attempt to directly model the behavior of the worm without the underlying biological elements. However, such a model, even if reproduces the microscopic behavior of the worm, would provide limited scientific value. Biologists would be unable to relate the measurements they make in the lab to variables in the simulation. OpenWORM is developing a simulation framework that enables the creation of a family of worm models. Each model created by different groups should be evaluated with respect to the original purpose of the research. Moving forward, to provide help for the evaluation process, the project will feature a movement and a psychological testing tool. These will enable the scientific community to evaluate their hypotheses directly on OpenWORM models. Let's look into today's headlines. Elon Musk attributes the success of Tesla's AI to Ashok Illuswamy. Elon Musk congratulated Ashok Illuswamy, an Indian, for being the first person on Tesla's autopilot team. According to Musk, Tesla's success in AI and autopilot software are mostly due to Illuswamy. Without him, Tesla would be just another car company. Earlier, Illuswamy had posted Elon Musk has been the key driver of AI and autonomy at Tesla. He has always pushed us to achieve great things. Meta launches communities on Messenger to expand the reach of social networking. With the goal of helping businesses, educational institutions, and private organizations communicate in a more organized manner, Meta introduced its new Communities function on Messenger. In contrast to earlier features connected to Facebook groups, Communities enables users to autonomously create areas set aside for in the moment conversations. With this release, Meta is attempting to increase the social networking potential of Messenger. Apple withdraws its warranty for hairline cracks on the iPhone and watch. Apple will no longer cover single hairline cracks on the displays of its smartphones and smartwatches under the standard warranty. Rather, it will bear the label of accidental damage. This essentially means that users will now have to pay for repairs for these gadgets. Until now, Apple had addressed individual hairline cracks under its regular warranty policy, provided that there were no other obvious damage. Lenovo unveils ThinkSystem V4 with Intel to supercharge AI-driven performance. Lenovo unveiled the Lenovo ThinkSystem V4 line of Intel-based products, which are driven by Intel Xeon 6 processors and intended to enable AI while adapting to the unique workload requirements of any type of organization. In order to assist customers smoothly integrate AI into their workflows, the portfolio includes new AI-enabled solutions that guarantee the proper balance of AI is available. It also includes brand new servers that are designed with efficiency and performance for certain workloads in mind. Sophos appoints Joe Levi as CEO. Sophos has announced the appointment of Joe Levi as its chief executive officer of the company. Levi has been acting CEO since February 15th. Levi has developed and led cybersecurity businesses, services, and products for almost 30 years. As CEO, Levi plans to expand Sophos' already strong customer base in the mid-market, which includes nearly 600,000 customers worldwide and generates more than $1.2 billion in annual revenue. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.